looking amazing. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you guys are tuning in and creeping with. I do appreciate it. We are here directly behind me, DQ Dairy Queen. I was told there's a brand new blizzard. That's right, the nutterbutterblizzard. We're gonna go in here and see if they have it. Normally they have a giant blizzard on the roof. I'm not sure what happened, probably because of the storm. Nonetheless, we're going to try it out. Hopefully they have it. Stay tuned. It's a beautiful day, and we're just going to do some random creeping. We're in Troutdale, Oregon at the moment. Like I said, it is absolutely stunning. Blue skies. Let's go in here and get us a nutterbutterblizzard. It's going to be a good day. The grill and chill. I noticed right away too. Look at this big old blizzard spoon here on the door right when you walk in. I don't think I've ever been to this location. Let's go in here and get us one. So they have a Nutter Butter shake, which looks way good, and then also I was surprised. I thought it was just the Nutter Butter, but it's the ultimate cookie. So it's got Oreo, what is it, Oreo, Chips Ahoy, and Nutter Butter. So it's kind of a win-win, and we just went with the little mini version. All right, we're waiting on it now. This is a cool, really cool Dairy Queen too. They got all these old-timey pictures in here. Welcome to your Columbia Gorge DQ Grill and Chill. I hear it making them right now. And look at all these old school neon pictures. Those are way cool. A couple more over here too of the old Dairy Queen. Yeah, this is neat. So yeah, I thought it was just the blizzard they're doing, but apparently they're doing a shake as well. It's pretty cool too. They got all these helicopters out here landing. We'll go outside and review the shake, and then show you guys some of these helicopters taking off too. Here's one right here. Cool. Wow, this is really cool. There's like a ton of information here. I got this old picture of Dairy Queen here, and then they have like a full timeline. 1938, Americans discover McColgan's new softer and tasty kind of ice cream called soft serve. The cone with the curl on the top lights up for the first time in Illinois. Shakes and malts are added to the line of cone sundaes and take-home pints. And that was in 1949. The first Dairy Queen store opened in 1953 in Canada. I didn't realize it was a Canadian company. The Bustard Bar debuts 1968. Dairy Queen debuts in the Middle East in 1979. The first EQ location opens in Thailand in 1996. It is old school. All the ice cream you can eat for only 10 cents. That is pretty dang cool. And then they've got this old school Dairy Queen coupon, the 9-cent float sale. That is so cool. Oh wow, they even have some information on Orange Julius. That's right, I forgot they took over Orange Julius. In 1987, Orange Julius is purchased by International Dairy Queen. That's pretty neat. All these old-timey pictures. There's the original stand. In Los Angeles at 820 South Broadway in 1926. The classic Orange Julius. That's pretty dang cool though. A lot of cool info in here. And old-timey pics, which is my favorite. I always like turn it upside down to make sure that it's like good. She just did it, so it's awesome. All right, let's go outside. There's some tables outside. But yeah, this is a neat one. I really like all the old school pictures and all the info. DQ, grill and chill. All right. So yeah, this is pretty cool too. We got all these teams on the cup. Official treat of the MLB, which I'm excited because the Portland Pickles are starting soon. And I was just told they're doing a Simpsons night this year, but nonetheless, we're gonna get right into this. Cookie Blizzard, not just Nutter Butter. Well, it's got Nutter Butter in it, but it's got the, what was it, Chips Ahoy and Oreo as well. That is good. Got the big Dairy Queen straw here, like on the, or spoon, like on the door. Huge fan of Blizzards. I mean, it basically could have been, and cookies also, obviously. It could have been any flavor, so that's a good mix. And I was telling them that I really like the Nutter Butter, so who knows, maybe they put a couple extra little scoops into the Nutter Butter, because I can definitely, those were the first ones I could taste. Very peanut buttery. Ooh, we got a flyover too, look at this. Now we got the copter. Like I was saying over there, we got the little landing airport over there. So you'll probably hear some helicopters as we're doing this. But you guys know me, I love, uh-oh, we're a little crooked. I love me a good Blizzard. And that's got some good pieces of Oreo, pretty big chunks of the Nutter Butter. I always like Nutter Butter because they're a cookie, but they got the peanut butter inside, so it's almost like a good protein. And I always thought it was funny, like when we were kids, we would donate plasma or blood, and they would always give out Nutter Butters for the cookies to kind of get you back. I don't know, I guess your sugars get low or however that works, but little mini one, and it was $2.99, so kind of pricey, but you get a lot. I mean, they really pack it in there. That was pretty dang good. I'm gonna go get me a quick little thumbnail before I inhale most of this. And I'd say, you know, out of a 10, I give it a good 8, maybe 8.5. Myself would have liked it to just be the Nutter Butter, but I do like the mix of the cookies because it's got the Oreos in there that give it a nice crunch, and the Nutter Butter's crunchy too. So yeah, a solid 8, 8.5. I'm trying to think what my favorite one was. I think the pumpkin one was a 10, and then they did like a strawberry shortcake one that had the little, or no, it was a strawberry cheesecake one, which was way good. And then of course, Butterfinger is my probably all-time favorite. That or Reese's Pieces. I really like the Reese's Pieces one. All right, let's go get a good thumbnail right next to the sign here. It always cracks me up doing these. I wonder if he's gonna land. Maybe the strip's back there. I know he's landed. getting here to Troutdale, gateway to the Gorge. Alright, it's been a while since we've just crept through downtown Troutdale. I'm all sugared out now. It was good though. This is a neat little part of Oregon, Troutdale. We did a whole video on that law firm right there. Back in the day, these knuckleheads tried to rob it when it was a bank, and they used too much arsenic and blew the whole place up. Blew the whole place to smithereens. Yeah, at one point this was a bank. Troutdale Troutdale State Bank, the city's second bank, opened in this building June 1st, 1920. The first financial institution, Bank of Troutdale, owned by the town's founding Harlow family, who the same guy that named the city. He also served as mayor, built the Troutdale State Bank. A huge explosion aroused in the town early on an April morning, a year after the bank's founding. Well-known criminal Archie McCoy used too much nitroglycerin in an unsuccessful attempt to blow the safe, knocking the building's wall 4 inches from the plumb and leaving McCoy stunned. Lloyd rebuilt but closed the Troutdale State Bank in 1935 in the Depression. The third bank was locally organized in 1955 in a building east of here, but eventually closed due to mergers with larger institutions. On its last day of business in 1988, Security Bank was robbed. Wow. Now a law firm, Troutdale law firm. But yeah, knuckleheads. Our City Hall. I'm not filming you, I promise. No, you're good. I've got it off to the side.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a quaint little city hall too. Pretty neat. Yeah, I love this little area. City Hall. It's like the size of one little storefront here. Troutdale Burrito Shop. Vision Eye Clinic. Could have sworn there was some bronze statues down here. We may have passed them. Oh, here, right in front of me. We got this big moose here and the beautiful cougar. Oh my gosh, that startled me. It's a hose, but I thought that was a snake at first. I was like, oh my god, what the heck? All this wildlife. The Wild Kingdom. Yeah, it's neat, man. This is the Caswell Gallery, I believe. There was a placard around here somewhere. We got the little barber shop here. Pretty neat. With the big moose. How you doing there, Moosey? Oh, you're cute. You got the big nosy. Yeah, the moose at the front said you were... The moose in the front said you were open. That's a cool area. What is this? Lolo's Pizza. So yeah, just a neat little... quaint little town. Yeah, I think that's the Rip Caswell Gallery. I think we've actually been to their gallery, but it's been quite some time. This building's really cool too. This was the old, like, kind of just ice cream parlor slash candy store cafe. Neat looking building. It's all vacant now. We were here, oh, maybe 3-4 years back. Oh wow, look at that inside there though. That is so pretty. With the old school stools and whatnot. I think it was it was an antique shop. It's got the full ice cream parlor bar. That's neat. Yeah, I'm wondering what'll eventually go in here. But just a beautiful area. Gateway to the Gorge. Got some espresso down here. Taste of Village, which is always really good. These guys are way good. So yeah, just a neat little area. Let's go down here and check out this old caboose. Yeah, this is really awesome right here. All this like brickwork, stonework. Wow, it looks like they're doing some construction down here too on the old, I think that was the original City Hall down here on the right. And I love all these old school lamp posts with the trouts. A lot of history. And when I toured the old train station, they said this place was haunted. Looks like they're doing a lot of gut work. Slowly fixing it up. I think it was the original town hall building, but I think it was also utilized at one point for a school as well.
Where you at?
Oh, I'm just documenting it.
No.
No? Okay.
Hey, get it off.
And the Troutdale Rail Museum, looking beautiful. We toured this, kind of poked the camera in years ago, and it was just totally dilapidated, and they've just totally re-have done it. Looks amazing. Yeah, it still had all the original P.O. boxes and a lot of the original train equipment, including the old stop and go signal, which is cool looking. Yeah, they really did a great job. Got the new sign there, and of course the Union Pacific, I think it's the caboose, I could be wrong, or a great big rolling railroad. That's cool. The Union Pacific. Yeah, they've really fixed this place up, man. This is great. The visitor center is closed at the moment, or I'd pop in and talk to them. We got to make our way back at some point and check it out. But yeah, the big caboose train. Love trains. It's so cool. Yeah, that guy didn't want me filming inside that building for some reason. Who knows? Making our way back now. What a nice evening. Yeah, I just love the layout of this little city. So cool looking. Reminds me of like a, almost like a movie drop, like a setting. You know what I'm saying? Background. And this area is beautiful too. I've shown this a few times. Got the big trouts here with the fountain going, and all these beautiful sculptures here. Yeah, Caswell Gallery. I've done all these pretty much. Just a nice area. I believe this was the first woman mayor. Could be wrong. Clara Latourell. First women mayor. Yep. The only reason why I know that is it says it right there on the little placard. And then there's another one over here. And then also this big beautiful mural here showing the old school. That's so neat. Got the hotel there. The old-timey cars making their way up to the gorge. Ooh, the train there, that's cool. I don't think I saw that last time. I missed the train. I missed the train! And then we've got this last little sculpture here too. Hitching a ride. The little Scotty dog. And a big trout here. there was a farmer not too far from here that harvested trout in his backyard, hence the name Troutdale. I think it says right here as well. Captain John Harlow named his farm and later Troutdale for the trout he raised in the rock-bordered fish pond where the fountain was playing. One of Oregon's most eloquent fishermen. Pretty cool. Yeah, I love the sound of that too. It's pretty. And the big Troutdale tank, looking good. With the, I think it's a marigold. I can never remember my flowers. Are those petunias? Very iconic piece of East County Troutdale. Or is it a tulip? No, it's not a tulip. Back on the trail now. Sun's starting to set a little bit. What a beautiful, beautiful night. That's gonna do it. Wow, that sun is still setting at like 6:35 at night. It's nice having it out a little bit longer. It doesn't start to set now until about 8:30. So nice having a little bit of lighter, or longer days with the sun out. That's gonna do it for tonight. I love you guys. Make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button. You can ring that bell. That way when I creep, you guys will be the first to creep. Until next time, Creeper out for now.
Peace.
That's going to do it for today. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. That'll dial you into being a creeper today. You can also ring that bell. That way when I creep, you guys will be the first to creep. And if you did enjoy this, give it a thumbs up. Till next time, Creeper out for now. Peace.